Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you subscribe to a QuickBooks Online payroll service, QuickBooks Online prompts you to add employees as part of the payroll setup process. You can also add employees after that, as shown in the earlier lesson titled Adding Employees to the Employees List from the Using Pages and Lists chapter. To edit the employee information after that, hover over the Payroll link in the navigation bar, and then click the Employees link in the side menu that appears to open the Employees page. Then click the name of the employee to edit within the Employees list in the Employees page. This then shows their employee information on the Profile tab. Click the Edit link in the upper right corner of the Personal Info, Tax Withholding, Payment Method, Employment Details, Pay Types, or Deductions and Contributions sections to open a window that shows that information. Then make your changes to the employee data and click the Save button to save it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.